Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make bolts for your Halloween costume. I used some scraps of cardboard I had laying around. First I cut a rectangle around the size I like for my bolts. I rolled it to create a cylinder shape. Next I glued the seams together. I did my best to smooth out the glue with the gun. Next, I cut out a slim rectangle for the top of the bolt. We'll be folding it to create a pentagon shape. Then gluing the seams together. Next, I'll be placing glue on the cylinder shape and placing the pentagon we had just created. This isn't necessary, but I'm placing glue to fill in the gaps on top of the bolts. Next, I'm placing a piece of paper on top of the bolt and gluing it down. I cut off the excess piece of paper. Next, I'm painting the bolt silver. Now I'm painting the threading on the bolt using a dark gray paint. I added some glue at the base of the bolt so I can be able to apply it onto myself. You can glue it onto yourself using eyelash glue, liquid latex, or spirit gum. Thank you guys for checking this out. Leave a like and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a safe and spooky day.